can you find the triangle? That is a triangle, but that's not the triangle I'm thinking of. I'm going to have to give you another hint, another clue. Yellow. The triangle yellow. Does that sound right? The yellow triangle. Can you find the yellow triangle? Let's just go ahead and put away any triangle that's not yellow. Let's pick this one. That is a yellow triangle, but that's not the triangle I'm thinking of. I'm going to have to give you another clue. Small. The yellow triangle small. Does that sound right? The small yellow triangle. Let's put away any triangle that's not small. This triangle. That is a small yellow triangle, but that's not the small yellow triangle that I'm thinking of. I'm going to have to write one more clue. The small yellow triangle obtuse. Does that sound right? The small yellow obtuse triangle. So we can put any acute triangles away. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can put that away as well. That is a small yellow obtuse triangle, but that's still not the one I'm thinking of. The small yellow obtuse triangle scaling. Is that the right order? The small yellow obtuse scaling triangle. This is where it becomes a little bit hard to tell with some of these, the difference between the isosceles and the scaling. You really kind of have to measure it to notice that there's three different sides of the sides. You know, it's very subtle. They get this close but can't discern the difference in those sides. That's understandable, right? Like, this is difficult for an adult to do. Sometimes, you know, they're so close, I have to go and I have to measure them just to make sure it's an isosceles or a scaling. I wouldn't correct it in the moment. This really isn't a geometry lesson, right? This is the power of the adjective. And so let's go into that transposition part. Small, the yellow obtuse triangle scaling. Does that sound right? Small, scaling, yellow, obtuse triangle, the. Does that sound right? And then the final part of this lesson is the symbolization.